Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips that will help you in combating hair fall. You can control hair fall by following these tips. Of course, you cannot stop hair fall because all our hair strands have a lifetime and every human being actually loses 50 to 100 strands every day, and it is completely normal. But if it is falling at an alarming rate, then you need to follow certain steps to save your hair. So let's get started. So the first thing that I would ask you to do is do Balayam yoga. That too in empty stomach, because if you do Balayam yoga, that is rubbing your nails together in the empty stomach in the morning, it will help you to improve blood circulation in your hair follicles. If your hair follicles have proper blood circulation, the roots of your hair will become much stronger and hence it will result in less hair fall. Next, what you can do is to include a lot of protein in your diet, because our hair is made of protein. So if you are a vegetarian, you can include a lot of pulses or lentils in your food. Specifically, masoor dal is really good for our hair because it has a higher level of protein in it. And if you are a non-vegetarian like me, you can include eggs, chicken, fish, whatever, whichever you like, all three of them. And every single day I include at least one of them in my meals. If you want to achieve healthy hair, then protein rich diet is the key. Next, what you need to do is to follow a proper sleep routine. You need 8 hours long sleep to heal your mind, to heal your body, because our life is very stressful these days and our body and mind both needs healing. And the time you sleep, it is the time that your body and mind recovers, it heals. So sleeping is the key to achieve a good mind, a healthy mind and healthy body. And your hair will fall less if you have a proper 8 hours sleep. Another thing that you must follow is do not have your dinner just before going to sleep, because if you have your dinner and that the next moment you are going to sleep, then what will happen is your brain and your body will start working in digesting that food and there will be no rest. So it won't work. The 8 hours sleep won't work and it will not help you in recovering your body, in healing your body. So make sure to eat your meal like at 7 or 8. Between that time, it is the best time to have your meal at night, your dinner. And it will be better to keep at least 2 to 3 hours gap before you go to sleep. So that time your food will get digested. The next thing that I would ask you to do is try to reduce stress, or at least try to distract your mind, because stress is something which is unavoidable in today's life. We are living in 2020 in a pandemic situation. So I'm pretty sure there is not even one person who knows about this pandemic situation, who is living in this world and going through the current situation, cannot be stress free. I'm pretty sure about that, except the little kids who doesn't know what is going around in the world or who doesn't know what pandemic is. So they are still kind of stress free. But the people who know, people like me who watches news throughout the day, who reads newspaper, who have to go out for work, for them the current situation is so much stressful. So to reduce stress, what I do is I distract myself. First of all, I like listening to music a lot, and I just choose the genre of music. Like I like filmy music, I like dance numbers, so that is the type of music that I like. Make a playlist of your favorite songs and listen to it on earphones, because that is the best stress buster as per me. And you can also listen to audiobooks, listen to it on speakers. That will help you in gaining knowledge and you will have your full attention. At least in my case, whenever I listen to an audiobook on speaker, I like listening to it with my full concentration, and also I gain some knowledge through it. If I listen to an audiobook through my earphones, what happens is, every single time this happens to me, I'm not sure if it ever happens to anybody else, but every single time I try to listen to an audiobook through earphones, I just fell asleep. Just the first 10 minutes I have full attention, then I'm lost, I'm asleep. I just wake up when the book is about to finish. But in a way that is also good for our health, because if I can get some sleep, it is always good because it will help me in recovering, in healing. Another thing that I would ask you to do is to choose products wisely. If you are suffering from hair fall, choose the products that are meant to treat hair fall. If you're choosing a shampoo or a conditioner that is meant to treat dandruff and you're suffering from hair fall, those products will not work for you, and then you cannot blame the products because you have chosen the wrong product. So always go and choose the right products that is going to work for you. Always look for the products, look for the ingredients in the products, because if your product has a lot of chemicals, then ultimately the result will be zero. It will harm you in some other way, you will not know. So always go for products that has no paraben, no sulfate, no silicone, no artificial color or fragrance, because overall the moment you're using a chemical shampoo, it will make your hair look very healthy and very bouncy and very shiny, but after some days, some months, your hair will lose its luster and its health because the chemicals will react and you might have other health issues. So always choose products wisely. Go for the products that are meant for the hair problem that you are facing. Now I'm going to show you 4 hair care products that are meant for hair fall, and these are the 4 products that I am relying on. So this is the hair oil that I'm using currently. It's by Wow Skin Science. It is the castor oil, and this is cold pressed hexane free oil, so it is very safe to use, and you can use it as a carrier oil and mix other essential oils in it and then use it for better benefits. I have a complete video where I have shown you how you can use castor oil in 5 different ways. I will link that video in the description. I've also shared the review of this product in that video, so do check out that video for further details, and I will put the purchase link in the description below in case you want to get one castor oil for you. And now let's move on to the shampoo and the conditioner that I am using. So here is my shampoo and conditioner duo. These are called Hair Loss Control Therapy Shampoo and Conditioner. It's by Wow Skin Science. The best thing about these are that these has DHT blockers. Now DHT is a hormone present in human beings, imbalance of which can result in massive hair loss. So these has DHT blockers which will help in controlling hair fall. The main or the key ingredient in these is bhringraj, which is great for hair. Apart from which there is henna, there is neem leaf extract, there is amla, shikakai, methi, some amazing ingredients that's present in this shampoo and conditioner. So I literally think this is the best solution if you are suffering from hair fall. So I'll put the purchase link in the description below. Do check it out. So I will upload a separate review video of both these products on my channel, so whenever it is up, do check that out as well. And the final thing that I use after taking a shower, after I'm done with my shampooing, conditioning, and when my hair is almost dry, then I use the multi repairing nutrition water hairspray, again by Wow Skin Science. I really like the packaging. It's very convenient. It has this on and off button. Again, I have a separate video for this one as well, so do check out that video on my channel. So this actually helps in restoring the hydration that our hair needs. It reduces hair fall or hair breakage and conditions the scalp and hair. Again, this is sulfate, silicone, paraben and mineral oil free. So let me tell you the prices of each of the product. So the castor oil, the price of it is rupees 399 for 200 ml. The price of this duo, the shampoo and the conditioner, is rupees 499 each, and each bottle is for 300 ml. And the hair spray, this is a 100 ml bottle and is priced at rupees 399. So do check out for the links in the description, and I will put the Wow Skin Science app link in the description. So do download it and sign up for the Wow Pro, because if you sign up between 1st June till July 31st, you can get a chance to win amazing prizes, so do check that out. Next time you get your hands on any Wow Skin Science products, the first thing you need to do is take your phone and scan the QR code that's present on all the Wow Skin Science products, because that will help you in knowing if the product is authentic. You can get more information about the product, and the best part, you can get points which you can redeem on your next purchase from Wow Skin Science. That's it for this video. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any queries, you can write it in the comments below. I will reply you back, and I will be back with a new video, so stay tuned and keep subscribed. Bye.